This is AranEye, your global lens on cyber truth. Stay alert, stay secure. Now, here's something most people get wrong about cyber breaches. We think of advanced zero-day exploits, nation-state actors, or dark web hackers. But the truth is more painful. In 2025, over 70% of cloud breaches were caused by nothing more than simple misconfigurations. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 cloud misconfigurations still breaching companies in 2025. For each, I'll explain what it is, how attackers exploit it, real-world cases, and how you can fix it, starting today. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to AranEye and hit the bell icon for weekly cyber truths. If you find this video useful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with your peers, because spreading awareness is the first line of defense. Misconfig number 1, public storage buckets. One of the most notorious misconfigs, leaving cloud storage buckets public. Attackers don't need to hack, they just search. Tools like Shodan, Grey Hat crawlers, or even Google Dorks can find open buckets. In early 2025, a fintech company in Asia exposed 4 million customer financial records due to a test bucket set to public. Universities, NGOs, even hospitals have made the same mistake. How attackers think, why waste time on firewalls when the front door is wide open? They scan IP ranges, index public buckets, and exfiltrate data in hours. Fix checklist. Block public access by default. Encrypt all buckets. Audit policies weekly. Run tools like Scout Suite or CloudSploit to catch leaks early. Pro tip: treat every bucket as if its contents will be published tomorrow. If you wouldn't want it public, lock it down. Misconfig number 2, overly permissive. IAM roles, the silent killer. IAM roles with wildcard permissions. A single compromised account becomes a master key. Case study. In late 2024, a European SaaS provider lost its production database when attackers found a role with unrestricted privileges. How attackers think: once they're in, they escalate, create new admin accounts, and stay hidden. Fix. Apply least privilege. Rotate keys. Run IAM Access Analyzer monthly. Tag every role with ownership. Pro tip: if you don't know why a role exists, it's already a risk. Misconfig number 3, unrestricted inbound rules. Leaving SSH or RDP open to US.0.000 is like leaving your house unlocked. Case study. In 2024, a logistics company in Europe was crippled when attackers brute-forced an open RDP port and deployed ransomware. How attackers think: they constantly scan for open ports. The moment they find one, automated bots attempt brute force. Fix. Never allow 0.000 for critical ports. Use VPNs, Zero Trust, or Bastion hosts. Automate scans with TFSec or Prowler. Pro tip: assume every open port is being attacked right now. Misconfig number 4, unencrypted sensitive data. It's shocking how often companies store sensitive data in plain text. Case study. A healthcare provider in the Middle East lost 2.5 million patient records because their database wasn't encrypted at rest. How attackers think: they don't need to decrypt, they just steal raw gold. Fix. Enforce encryption everywhere. Use KMS managed keys. Audit for plain text. Test encrypted backups regularly. Pro tip: encryption is like seatbelts. Inconvenient sometimes, but life-saving. Misconfig number 5, disabled logging and monitoring. No logs, no evidence, no alerts. Case study. Attackers lived inside a multinational's environment for 8 months undetected because CloudTrail was disabled to save cost. How attackers think logs are their enemy. No logs equals no risk of being caught. Fix. Enable logging across all accounts. Forward to a SIEM. Retain for 180 days. Verify integrity quarterly. Pro tip: logs are your eyes. Without them, you're blind. Misconfig number 6, orphaned, abandoned resources. Forgotten test VMs or old dev databases are attack gold mines. Case study. In 2024, a retail company's old dev environment left unpatched, was exploited to pivot into production. How attackers think. They assume abandoned resources are weak because no one is watching. Fix. Use lifecycle policies, auto-tagging, regular cleanup scans. Pro tip: if no one owns it, attackers will. Misconfig number 7. Misconfigured containers and Kubernetes. Containers are everywhere, but misconfigured clusters are a top target. Case study: Tesla's 2018 breach through an exposed Kubernetes dashboard led to cryptojacking. These mistakes are still happening. How attackers think. They hunt for unauthenticated dashboards, misconfigured RBAC, and exposed secrets. Fix. Restrict dashboards, enforce RBAC, limit network access, secure secrets with vaults. Pro tip: treat your cluster dashboard like root access. Never leave it public. Misconfig number 8. Overexposed APIs. APIs are the new front door. If left exposed, they leak data or allow abuse. Case study: a social media platform leaked millions of user records via unauthenticated API endpoints. How attackers think. They look for missing auth, weak rate limits, and injection points. Fix. Enforce authentication, implement WFs, add schema validation. Pro tip: assume attackers test your APIs harder than your developers. Misconfig number 9. Shadow admin accounts. Dormant admin accounts often remain after employees leave. Case study: a breached finance firm discovered attackers using an old admin account active for years after the employee resigned. How attackers think. They guess, stuff, or buy old creds, hoping the account still works. Fix. Enforce strict offboarding. Audit admin accounts monthly. Apply MFA to all. Pro tip: no admin account should live without an owner. Misconfig no 10. Weak default configurations. Many breaches start with default creds and ports. Case study: multiple ransomware incidents in 2024 exploited databases still running on default configs with admin/admin access. How attackers think. They always try default creds first. Fix. Harden images, change defaults, follow CIS benchmarks. Pro tip: out of the box means already compromised. To recap, here are the 10 cloud misconfigs still breaching companies in 2025. Public buckets, overly permissive IAM, open inbound rules, unencrypted data, disabled logging, orphaned resources, misconfigured containers, overexposed APIs, shadow admins, weak defaults. Fix these, and you drastically reduce your attack surface. At CyBark, we help organizations secure their cloud with VAPT compliance and managed security. Want my 10-point cloud security checklist? Just comment below saying checklist, and I'll send it to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for weekly global cyber truths, and share it with anyone who needs to tighten their cloud defenses. And we want to hear from you. What's the next big cybersecurity topic you'd like us to cover? Your ideas drive this channel. Drop them in the comments, and we'll tackle the issues that matter most to you. This is AranEye, your global lens on cyber truth. Stay alert, stay secure.